Oh yeah, that feels good. By the way, this is a scary angle. We did all of that in two-wheel drive, by the way, okay? I know it probably looked pretty aggressive, but I want you to know this is the best handling vehicle I've ever been in. I've owned 3 Jeeps, a Hummer. I've never had that much confidence when articulating hills up and down and then going through that little slide of mud. This vehicle handles incredibly, especially with the tires. You can't get the wheels to spin out. It's just got traction galore. Ready for the showroom? That's appropriate for the showroom. I mean, while we have the Bronco out of the wild in captivity, we might as well keep it comfortable and in its natural condition. It was built for the wild.